In primetime news this evening, deadly scent and fire takes emotional toll on firefighters. Officials at Spanish Town Hospital clear the air on shooting incident Monday night. And motorists react to road patching on Spanish Town Road.
So, good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, Grace Kennedy's CEO Don Webby is set to resign next month. But who will replace him? I'll tell you later on in the business day.
You know, that's a huge story, and I'm sure there are a lot of huge stories taking place in the world of sports. But before we get to sports, let's talk a little bit about the weather.
Yes.
Romain, what's happening?
Thanks, Archie. Now, we still have dry conditions expected across most of the area, but for Thursday morning, we are expecting some shower activity across sections of the northeast. That's Portland, as well as St. Mary.
I know we did it in reverse, but Renato is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Janelle, I tell you what, did you save the best for last? With days to go before the Sunshine Girls take on the South Africans, one player is eager to make her debut in the black, green and gold. We will tell you all about her. And JPL leaders continue their relentless run with an 8th straight win.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast in detail later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what steps are you taking, Archie, to kickstart a healthier lifestyle in 2025?
You can share your comments online. I'm going to tell you. Facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.